Have you been told that you have the gift of gab? Do you like cold calling? Do you have 3 or more hours to spend on this side hustle project? Well, if you do, stay tuned, watch this clip, and I'll be right back.
Okay, now I'm convinced this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be using Google Maps
to look at Google business profiles, and that's how we are going to be able to get our money. And when we are looking at the Google business profiles on Google Maps, we want to really target small businesses.
With making $500 in a day with Google Maps, well, it's actually simpler than you think. What we're doing is we're going to a local restaurant or a store. Let's take an example. Let's go over here to Kentucky. Let's go down here, and I literally just found this, and this is Clark's Plumbing. We can see it only has a 4.1 star rating, but 9 reviews. Now compared to all these other stores here, let's go to all these other ones. 13 reviews, so that's not a great one. 228 reviews. What's this one? 1 review. What about these? 129 reviews. Look at all these 60 reviews. So if we go back to Clark's Plumbing, we can see that they need some work. We're gonna call up Clark's Plumbing and we're gonna say, Clark, let me tell you something, okay? You got 9 reviews, 4.1 star. You're not making good rankings on the Google Maps. How are people gonna know that you are Clark's Plumbing?
You seen the clip. Sounds easy, right? So I found this side hustle about 7 months ago. I was Googling what I could do with Google where I could make money fast. Now, as we all know, fast money is sometimes not possible when it comes to doing a side hustle. You do have to have time, and you do have to have the knowledge in order to make the money. So nothing in life, unfortunately, is fast when it comes to making money. But I came across those 3 people, and I was like, okay, this can't be too bad, because I used to wholesale, and with wholesaling, kind of the same thing. I did a lot of cold calling. I was not one of those people that enjoyed cold calling whatsoever. But of course, if you want some money, you have to go out and you have to get it. So that's what I did. So this side hustle, it did resonate with me a little bit. And I said, okay, what the hell? Why not? Let me go ahead and try it. Now you wonder exactly with a business such as Google My Business, a business that you find that does not have many reviews, that is low in the Google search, and that their Google page is really not capturing an audience that can convert into sellers. So your job as a Google My Business specialist is to market to them, because this is all this is marketing. Market to them that you are a Google certified specialist, and we'll talk about that in a second, that can upgrade their business page, make it look more presentable, make it look as though they have a thriving business, and to showcase their talent, their skills, their services in order to get business as well as move up in Google listings. So that would be your job in the side hustle for Google My Business. Let's talk about how I got started, how you can get started. There was a Google My Business certification that I took right here. That was 42 minutes. Now, 42 minutes does not equate to the actual time that you spend on doing the certification, because you have to take tests. And of course, if you get answers wrong, they want you to redo it just to make sure that you comprehend what it is that you learned on the Google My Business certification. Now, this was a very good learning or certification that Google offered for free. And I would recommend anybody to go in and look at those different certifications that they have, such as marketing, e-commerce. I think they even have one on communications, which is one that I really wanted to get into. So I got my certification to Google My Business, so I'm ready to go, right? No. The scripting The scripting is the portion where you need to find out, what are you going to say? So in a world of, I can go to Chat GPT, and Chat GPT, if I give it a good description on giving me or creating me some type of business service prompt that I can say, it's going to come out very computerized. It's going to come out very wordy. I'll show you here what I put in the description on Chat GPT. So as you can tell, very professional, but it didn't scream customer friendly. I want to be in business with you. I want to build rapport. It didn't scream that. And like I said before, I came from wholesaling and cold calling. The basically the heart of cold calling is being able to have conversations with people, not just come off as salesy, but to actually in that moment kind of build a rapport. If you got them, if they didn't hang up on you, if they didn't say no, if they did not say, well, let me think about it, I'll call you back or whatnot, then you kind of got them. As I said, going back to my days with wholesaling, it was more of a friendly conversation, such as, hey, or maybe not hey, but hi, my name is Samil, and I work with such and such business, or whatever the name of my business is. And I was scrolling through Google and I saw where your business profile was not complete. Have you thought about maybe some type of upgrade to that so that you can get more business? Something in that realm. Or, hi, my name is Samil. I've been into your business before and I love your services so much that I decided to go on Google and see what kind of reviews you have, see how high you rank, and to see what people are saying about your business. And I did not see that there was too much. So I'm here to help. I'm here to help you get more business. I'm here to showcase your services. I'm just here if you need help with any type of marketing suggestions, ideas, things of that nature. Straight to the point. And there you have it. Yeah, pulling up Google Maps. You want to pull up businesses that maybe local businesses, barber shops, beauty salons, accountants, locksmiths, plumbers, contractors. So when I did contractors, I also Googled contractors in the area or in like 100-mile radius that I saw had low reviews, maybe no reviews, had to claim my business next to it, meaning that there was not any information that was given. But also, this is a gem that was not mentioned in any of the videos, going to Craigslist and finding contractors that way. Now, I know what you're saying. Craigslist is it's a dark place. It's a dark place on Craigslist. But if you're going for a certain thing, you should not have a problem. And I did find a few prospects that I was able to call and email, because on Craigslist, you can email them as well. Let them know that my services are available if needed. Another thing that I saw in the videos that definitely helped was, at the time, I created a Fiverr account. I also created like a one-page Wix website that I just kind of threw together. I put some effort into it. I could direct them to the website and they can inquire about my services if that was something that they were interested in. Let's talk about the pricing, okay? You saw the video. I made $600-700, $600-700 in 3 hours. It can be done. However, will it be done in one day on your first day? Absolutely not. One is because people don't even know who you are. Two, you're still learning how to gauge conversations with business owners and how to tackle that rapport building skill. Now, if you are already in marketing, because this is all this is just a marketing side hustle. If you're already in marketing, if you're already in communications, then you definitely got one up on us new people who just saw this and decided, hey, we're going to go ahead and call businesses and not know exactly what to say. We're just going to wing it, right? Okay. I believe I made 30 contacts. Whether that was verbal, whether that was through email. Now, I will say, I need to take these glasses off because they give me a headache. Sorry, y'all. I will say that I did record my results, and that's why I have my notes here. But I did record my results, and to my surprise, I had 7 no's that said, no, I'm not interested. Don't call, or just simply hung up. 14, no, not right now. So that tells me that it's a possibility and maybe I can follow up. So I did keep their information. I did have it like on a spreadsheet of who I did contact, who said yes, who said no, who I need to follow up with. And to my surprise, I got 3 yeses. And I had did like 6 email contacts too. But I got 3 yeses. Now, when we talk about the 600, 700, again, it is possible. But I did not charge anything of like $300, especially for someone that does not even know me. So because I saw this as a potential where they could possibly reuse my services, or maybe I can put together a package for them going down the line if they needed help with like website services, social media presence services, maybe some type of consultation when it comes to marketing. I didn't price myself out the ballpark. Now, I know my worth, but I didn't price myself out, because just like you're watching this, there are 30 others that are doing the same thing. So I priced mine at $100. I did it for $100 just so that they would feel comfortable with the price. They're small businesses. So I'm not trying to, as we say, hit them over the head and charge them way more than what I should. At the end of the day, I was very grateful that they did say yes to me, not even knowing who I was. But I was able to give them my pitch and also to direct them to the website that I created, so they get more of a comfortability feel from me, being that I'm just not somebody here to take the money. So with the website, I was also able to set up a payment gateway. So it wasn't a Cash App, Zelle type of transaction. I wanted to have proof on both ends, from the myself as the seller and them as the purchaser. I'm gonna wrap this up. The Google My Business is definitely something that will be here for years to come. The program, the oh my God. The certification is free. After the certification, you go online, you look for small businesses that do not have many reviews, no reviews at all, or rank low in the Google search. You put your little script together, whatever you feel comfortable saying, as long as it's professional and as long as you get your point across within that 15 seconds, because that is your elevator pitch needed in order for the purchaser or the buyer to know what it is that you're selling and to get a good feel of you. After that, direct them to a website or, a website or your Fiverr profile. I can't, Upwork. If you also have like an Upwork profile, drive them there so that they can see the credibility. If you have other projects out there, that's already listed so they can see that you're a credible person. Fiverr is the same thing. So it was having the price point, and that's something that you can do before calling, deciding what your price is going to be. Is it going to be 100? Is it going to be 300? What services are you going to offer? Are you going to offer consultation? Are you going to offer marketing? Are you going to offer social media presence assistance? Any type of maybe virtual assistance, either, take their phone calls, book their appointments, set up their calendars, things of that nature. Lastly, like I said, even if you don't make money the first day, because this is over a 3-day span that I worked on this. Even if you don't make money the first day and you keep trying and this is something that you want to try, it's going to help you build skill. It's going to help you build character and move on to other and bigger projects. So we can always look at the monetary compensation in something like this, but we also need to look at the more, abstract way of thinking, as this could be a skill that I could use going anywhere in my life when it comes to business and creating a side hustle. If you stayed to the end, I want you to go ahead and put in the comments, Google my business. If you have any other video suggestions, anything that you want me to talk about, I will be more than glad to listen to that and make videos accordingly. Until next time, in my next video, which I'll talk about removing collections from your credit, I guess there's nothing else.